Hello guys, and this is the end. So, in front of me is the CyberPower entanglement incident internet branch point, and so this is the second incident training. I don't think the books, but that kind of does some like excellent infrared I don't know that. There's the banks. And this is the one I try to take something like old run to replace because I was getting like an internet on, and that takes like some time. And then I went to exchange on organs was able to get replaced. And I think the cookie don't. Yeah. So now I can try and open banks. Try to get some on. I'm going to fix this over. Again, okay. Alright. Carefully with the box. Alright. Thanks. Come on. There you go. Alright, so I'm going to take that and it tells how to use it next. It comes up on the cable that you put connects to the computer to use it on then get the tank. So get stink. Okay, so we got the next on. The king that paints. Just I think it's so tight. I don't know if it looks so. But then I got two extra paints. Change the paints and 3 extra rings. So I tell him, since the tanks, the capture rings, and then got 2 next time it turns and So since it sounds like thanks, a total of 12 outlets. And then going second background consent and something like that. Just going the cable back so the wiring and that connects up and down. That's what it's been. Yeah, and then the constant cable kept around. Getting single point. Then right. Point. Sides. So shift things around. This is still zagging. Get things. So, it got, it's hanging. So I got in back around, got a strong unit, at some point, pattern, is the A, and you can see. So you could create that separate your phone and it tags on. So you can. Okay, so I think the patterns could be took that change because contain except the tank and shipping. So I think this is like cuts. So this is like yellow. The one I got like 2 years ago was like I don't know these plants. I was like over top. Those these plants. Again, I think getting the plants went down up on the screen. I think it's around going down up on the screen. I don't know what the front I can go trying to run CyberPower. But I think oh, there you go. So I can scroll to screens, and then we're going to go around to get the patterns. But so that's okay. So we're going then on screen. Then two screens on, and then like against tank, against it comes like the patching. Now I'm gonna king like 2 patterns. Next showing I'm gonna go and then the other, and so I was trying to get this in. This is really so I was like concentrate about things. But I can go and plug this in. Let's see what this guy. I got up there right. Get this guy. Oh, that's good. It's cartoon. Results. Let's see how. That down. still does some right. Although I don't do that, so that's cool. So I was thinking of getting a target person. That's why I want the soon. I think it takes I don't think so parents there's no point, but it was taking a present backpacks prone, and then I got the 2,000 backpacks prone, but I couldn't think but a backpack I did not get in the backsink. I got upgrades because I wanted to do a plastic strain, but I was like also going to like make sure that things like done. I was like canceling doing that as well. But I can't say this. I can try and see if I can get some pictures. And insert capturing thanks thanks to see. Alright, so I got thanks like for this attack sync. I think I was doing sync, you guys didn't. So things exchanging bike, current, and takes a current. It does update if it take time. I think so it's gonna take. Bye.